Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I just wanted to give you a few tips on caring for little girls' hair or little babies' hair. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So my first tip for you guys is to keep the hair moisturized. Use only a few products and use castor oil on the scalp, or whatever kind of oil you prefer, but I just prefer castor oil. I'm starting off with just spraying Ryan's hair with a little bit of water. There's nothing in this water bottle, just regular old H2O. And then I'm gonna add in Camille Rose Almond Jade twisting butter, and then put a little bit of castor oil on top of that. Keeping your list short will help you ensure you're finding the best products for your baby's hair. You'll be able to tell what's working, what's not working, and switch out accordingly. And just remember, their skin, their scalp is very sensitive, so you just want to be mindful of what you're putting on their hair as well. My next tip is going to be detangle with your hands when you can. You'll see me use my hands a lot, especially in the front of Ryan's head. Her hair is a little bit thinner versus the back, so I did not need any kind of tools. And honestly, most babies this age, you can really just use your hands to detangle, and it won't hurt as much either versus using a tool. My last tip is simply to not pull the hair too tight. If you have to force it, just don't do it, pretty much. I like using rubber bands. I don't think there's a big problem when it comes to rubber bands. Some people like them, some people don't. However, with Ryan's length, to me, they're just the best option if you're taking them down at night. I know during the summer, doing cute braided styles like cornrows and things like that are trendy, and they're just easier to maintain on the mom and dad, the parent, whoever, the guardian, and I totally understand. However, I've seen so much breakage, so much edges lost, all that kind of stuff from little girls who haven't even gotten the chance to really start to grow their hair, and already their hair is thinning. They've got bald spots. I've seen it. So just remember, our hair is very fragile, and the littlest things can cause breakage without us even really paying attention to it. So dryness can cause breakage. Pulling the hair too tight can cause breakage as well. And don't forget, the detangling process can cause breakage as well. So I hope these tips were helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or comments or anything like that, please put them down below. You know I will answer you. You know I am here to help if I can. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up for this video, please. And yeah, you guys, thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.